fractions of the number line. Then first question is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So already I said one logic. In an logic, plus symbol is there means you are going on right hand side. Right hand. Minus is there means you are going on left hand side. Plus ఉంటే ఎట్లా కుడి చేతి వైపు వెళ్ళాలి, మైనస్ ఉంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అంటే ఎడమ చేతి వైపు సైడ్. Then it has 7 minus 2. First these are on number line. So first draw the number line. How much means your wish, Nana? But in that middle one is a 0. Right side all numbers are positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And left side all numbers are negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. In the first to identify the plus 7. Nothing that means there is a plus 7. Plus 7 plus first mark it plus 7. What is the next one? Minus. Minus means what? Left hand side. We are going on left hand side. Madam cheti వైపు రండి. అన్ని డిజిట్స్ రావాలి సార్ అంటే మైనస్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 2 digits. Minus indicates left side. How many digits means 2 digits. 7 to left side 2 digits. 1, 2. So mark it please. So what is your answer? Plus 5. Write the value of this one is a plus. Next, see that second one. 8. Already know bracket means what, Nana? Into. Bracket means into. Again you have some logic. Bracket means into. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Both sides are same. అంటే రెండు కూడా ఒకటిలా ఉంటాయి. ప్లస్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ, అందుకని ప్లస్ వచ్చింది. మైనస్ దెన్ అగైన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ప్లస్. రెండు ఒకటిలాగా ఉంటే ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఉంటే యువర్ రిజల్ట్ ఇస్ అగైన్ పాజిటివ్. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఇస్ వన్ ఇస్ ప్లస్ అనదర్ వన్ మైనస్, అదర్వైజ్ మైనస్ ఆర్ ప్లస్, యువర్ రిజల్ట్ ఇస్ నెగటివ్. సో అబ్జర్వ్ వన్స్, it is a minus. Bracket means into minus is what, Nana? Plus. I am keeping plus here. Again 7. Then take this question and represent on the number line. So I am taking the number line. It is first one, it is second one. So in this I am taking 0. Positive numbers on right hand side. Okay, negative numbers on left hand side. In that question there is no negative values. That's the reason I am taking some numbers only, but 0 I am starting from here. Then first choose plus 8. Where is plus 8 in this? This is plus 8. After what, Nana? Plus symbol is there. Plus means what? Right hand side. Plus means you go right hand side. Plus ఉందంటే రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అంటే కుడి చేతి వైపుకి వెళ్ళు. ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళాలి? 7 digits వెళ్ళాలి. 7 digits. You are going forward 7 digits. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop here only. Then keep arrow mark of here. There is a place, so your arrow mark is right hand side. Here minus is there, so your arrow mark is on this side. So anyway, what you get in here result? 15. ఎంత వచ్చింది రిజల్ట్? 15 దగ్గర స్టాప్ అయ్యారు. సో దిస్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 15. Is it clear? Then See this one also. 5. It is minus into minus. Minus into minus what? Plus 8. Again, do this same. First to draw the number line. Choose first to 5. After 5, plus. Plus means you are going forward. అంటే ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్? 8 డిజిట్స్ ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. 8 డిజిట్స్ ముందుకంటే 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 దగ్గర స్టాప్ అయింది. Is it clear? Second bit nana computing the values. But second bit 8 problems are there. Out of 8, I am taking only 3 problems only here. Some difficult problems. Remaining also some okay. All problems are equal, but some different problems I am using from out of 8. In that 3. So how you do means already you know 17 is a 17. Let's play minus nana minus bracket means what? Into minus. Minus into minus. So choose here. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Okay, plus here. Write the value. 17 plus 14. Roughly you do the addition also. 7 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 is here. 1 is carry. 1, 2, 3 means 31. So your answer is what? 31. No need to draw the number line. In that question they are asking just computing the value, not asking the number line. Number line అనేది మనకి దాంట్లో అడగలేదు. సో నెంబర్ లైన్ అనేది మనం యూజ్ చేయని అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ కంప్యూటింగ్ దా అంటే ఈ వాల్యూస్ ని కనుక్కోండి అన్నాడు అంతే. అంతకుమించి వేరే అడగలేదు. నెంబర్ లైన్ అడగలేదు కాబట్టి మనకి ఇంతే వాల్యూ. దెన్ కమ్ టు దిస్ వన్. Change this one also. First one I am writing same as this. Minus bracket means into. Again minus. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Plus 5. Again what? Roughly do the addition. 9 plus 5. 15 minus 28. Sir, here bracket is not there. What do you do now? So first one is nothing means there is a plus. ఏం లేదంటే ప్లస్ అని తీసుకోవాలి. సెకండ్ వన్ మాత్రం మైనస్. అంటే ఒకటి ప్లస్ ఒకటి మైనస్. అంటే ఒకటి రెండు సేమ్ సింబల్స్ కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? యూ కెన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అంటే తీసేసా. అంటే 28 15. 28 లోకి బిగ్ లోకి స్మాల్ తీసేసాలి. బిగ్గెస్ట్ టు స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ యూ కెన్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ ని స్మాలెస్ట్. దెన్ 28 minus 15. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is raise your 8 fingers and in that remove 5 means only 3. Is 3. Then 2 minus 1. 2. 1 this is it. Remaining only 1. That is 13. Means answer is what? No. 13. But one more thing. Biggest one has plus or minus? Minus. So keep minus. పెద్దదానికి ఏదంటే అదే పెట్టేసా. బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ హ్యావింగ్ మైనస్ మీన్స్ ఐఎమ్ కీపింగ్ మైనస్ దేర్. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. సారీ 9 కదా. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 here, 1 is here, 22. So your answer is 20. In this section we will learn about the multiplication of an integer. Multiplications of an integer. So you are completed in previous classes. Addition is completed. Subtraction also completed. 2 topics are completed. Next you are going to learn multiplication of a integer. After this, in next section we will learn the division of a integer also. Okay. In this section we will learn about the multiplication of a integer. Then if for example I am taking 3 into 4. Sir, I know tables 3 4s are 12. Okay, that is okay. But what is on number line? Multiplication of a integers and we are representing on a number line. Integers on number line. Generally, you are taking the multiplication. 3 to 3 4 to 12, but you know the answer, but you are representing on number line. So for that, in that question they mention the number line means what to do. First to draw the number line. For that, see the question. Both are positive numbers. రెండింటి కూడా ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి so I am decreasing the negative numbers. So negative numbers decrease చేద్దాం, positive numbers increase చేయాలి. Like that and so on numbers are there. So first 3 4 12 nana. So for multiplication, no need to identify first 3. In that multiplication, and in case it is addition, what to do? So just to mark the 3. 3 దగ్గర మార్క్ చేసుకుంటాం. But అలా ఏం కాదన్న. Okay, that is also one of the process. So first what to do? Start from 1 అన్న. 1. Count to start from 1. 1 2 3. Mark this. 1. Like that we count forward to how many times? 4 times. First 3. 1 2 3. First identify first number. అన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని నెంబర్స్ కౌంట్ చేయండి. 3. After 3 3 3 3 3 we make a group of 3 3 4 times. 1 2 3 it is 1. 1 2 3 it is also 1. Next 1 2 3 it is also 1. So keep arrows. This one, this one, this 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So where is stop? 12. So your answer is 12. Then I am taking one more problem. 5 3s I am taking. You know 5 3s are 15, but we are representing a number line. So 0 I am taking here. Why? Because negative numbers are there, not there. Directly you mark the 5. Nothing will happen. Otherwise, count starts from 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay now. First given number, that is 3. I am taking the first 3 here. After 3 3 3 up to 4 times. There also first identify the 5. How many times? 3 times. Count. 1 is completed. 1 2 3 4 5. It is first. Next 1 2 are completed. How many times? 3 times. Means again 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay na? 3 completed. 5 into 3. 5 ni 3 times multiply cheyali. 3 times means 1 2 3 completed. Then give the arrow mark for that and keep arrow is on right hand side. So where is stop? 15. So this answer is 15. First to know the tables. You get the tables means it is very easy. Then see once. First here minus 100 into minus 6 is there. Then multiply now. 100 into 6. 600. But 100 into 6 is 600. But here how many minuses are there? 2 minuses are there. Already know minus into minus is plus. Then simple na multiplications lo addition subtraction kunnanta idem ledu. Multiplications are very easy. Just you multiply the 2 or 3 terms, write the result. Minus or plus means simple. In this 2 minuses are there means that is a plus. Even number of minuses means that is plus. అంటే సరి సంఖ్యల్లో మనకి మైనస్ సింబల్స్ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ ప్లస్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఆర్ దేర్, యువర్ రిజల్ట్ ఇస్ నెగటివ్. అంటే బేస్ సంఖ్యలో నెగటివ్ మార్క్స్ ఉంటే మీకు వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ మైనస్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. See how many minuses are there? 2. That's the reason it is a plus. 3 table is 3. 3 table 3. How many times? 1 time. But here minus is there. What to do now? 2 minus means that is a plus. 2 minus means that is a plus. Here also same thing, first and second. Here 2 minuses are there, plus is there. Here only 1 minus, keep 1 minus. Why? Because that is a even odd number. 106 is 600. Minus minus, 2 minus are there, so your result is plus 220 into 10 means that is 200. Here say observe this. In this question only 1 minus is there, so only minus. 2 minuses ఉంటేనే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, 1 మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ కాదు. 1 మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 మైనస్ రాస్తున్నాను. 15 3 is 45. So that exercise 4 first bit already you are completed in previous class. This second bit no. Find each of the following products. Each of the following products. Already I said, in case there is 2 numbers are there, or 3 numbers are there, or 4 numbers are there, whatever it is, you can multiply that terms. This product means what? Multiply the following numbers and you write the answer. But here small doubt is there. What that? Sir, here minus symbols are there, we are doing all plus values. So here how many minuses are there? 2 minuses are there. Even number of minuses are there means that becomes plus. Already I said. Even number, okay? How many? 1, 2 minuses are there, so that will become plus. Odd number of minuses are there. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7. This step, these numbers of minuses are there means your answer also in negative. ఉన్నవి ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మైనసెస్ ఉంటే ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. అంటే 1కి ఇంకొకటి ఉంది సరిపోయింది. See this మైనస్ కి మైనస్ సరిపోయింది, మైనస్ కి మైనస్ సరిపోయింది, మైనస్ కి మైనస్ కూడా సరిపోయింది. ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం. మైనస్ కి మైనస్ సరిపోయింది, మైనస్ మైనస్. అలా కాకుండా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ here only here minus is not there. Count it 1 2 3. 3 minus symbols are there, so 3 is a odd number. Count the how many number of minuses are there. 1 2 3. This is plus, so 3 minus are there, so 3 means that is a odd number. Your result will be in negative. But in the question they are given one more minus also, so count it 1 2 3 4. 4 minuses are there, 4 is a even number, so your answer also in that positive number of terms. Then I am multiplying this to 21 into 30. 0 0 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, then 0 3 is 6. So what is your answer? 360 only. Why? Because 2 minuses are there, so your result is 610. Then multiply this two now. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, both are minus, into 3 4 is 12. Next 12 2 is 24. Plus only. Why? Because 1 2 3 4. 4 negative numbers are there. 4 means it is an even number. Then this one. 9 minus into minus is plus, 6 3 is 18. Roughly multiply this two into 9. 9 8 is 72. 7 is a carry. Otherwise here. So 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 6. 162. Then answer is 162. Then come to this one. How many minuses are there? First to multiply the first two. 3 6 is 18 into 2 1 is 2. Multiply this two. 8 and 2 is 36. Otherwise like that to multiply. Don't know the large number of tables. Means multiply this like this. 2 8 is 16. 1 2 1 is 2 1 3. 36. See? You are getting the 36 here. Is it clear? Every hour is equal to pi degree Celsius. every hour is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Then 10 hours is equal to, each 1 hour is equal to 5 degrees Celsius means 10 hours 10 into 5 is it 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore, actually your room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Then after 10 hours it will become 50 degrees Celsius. Then do the subtraction. One is plus, another one is minus. So 50 minus 40, how much? Do the subtraction. 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 10. But in these two numbers, which is the largest number? 50. So 50 has a negative number, means minus. So degree Celsius. Is it clear? Okay. 10 questions are there. If you are writing the right answers, means they are providing 3 marks. క్వశ్చన్ లో 10 ప్రశ్నలు ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 10 ప్రశ్నలకి ఏ ప్రశ్నకైతే కరెక్ట్ రాసిరో, కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ రాసిరో దానికి 3 మార్క్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు. బట్ ఇన్ కేస్ యు ఆర్ అటెంప్ట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ బట్ దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్, మీరు చేసిన ప్రాసెస్ అనేది రాంగ్ ఉంది, దెన్ యూ కెన్ అటెంప్ట్ బట్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ రాంగ్. సో దానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే -1, అంటే మీరు రాసిన మార్క్స్ కి -1. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10 మార్క్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 10 మార్క్స్ లో మీకు 8 మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయి అనుకో, -1 చేసేస్తారు అనమాట. ఒక్కటి రాంగ్ ఉంటే -1 అవుతుంది. 8 మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయి కదా అని కాదు, మీరు అది అటెంప్ట్ చేశారు కానీ దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. క్వశ్చన్ అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తే నెగిటివ్ మార్క్ ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పేసి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ వదిలేస్తే దర్ ఇస్ 0 మార్క్స్ ఫర్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అయితే మీరు అటెంప్ట్ చేయలేదో ఆ క్వశ్చన్కి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, 0 మార్క్స్ దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడ్. Every correct answer is 3 marks. Incorrect answer means it is mistake. With mistake పోయింది అనుకున్నాం, ఆ మిస్టేక్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, -1 marks they are provided. Then Gopi Nana, first question, Gopi attempt 5 correct answers. Gopi with 5 correct answers are there. So 5 correct answers. So 5 into correct. Correct is what, how much? 3 marks. So how many get? 15 marks. So again 5 incorrect. 5 incorrect answers. So 5 incorrect means -1. Then already I said no. How many minuses are there? Only one. One is the odd number. Then minus only. 5 1 is 5.
యశ్వంత్ జయంత్ ఇద్దరు ఒక దగ్గర ఉండరా, తలూపండి. అవునైతే
Then
తలూపండి.
do the subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1. Is it clear? Second one. Reshma get 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers and 4 incorrect. 3 incorrect. So 7 into correct answer, which one? 3 is equal to 21. 3 incorrect. 3 into -1. So 3 1 is 3, -3. Do subtraction of 21. Do subtraction of 21. So 21 minus 3. 21 minus 3. 21 minus 3 means 20, 90, 80. So therefore Reshma got 18 marks. Copy second one. Reshma get 7 correct answers. 7 correct answers and 4 incorrect. 3 incorrect. So 7 into correct answer, which one? 3 is equal to 21. 3 incorrect. 3 into minus 1. So 3 1 is 3 minus 3. Do subtraction of 4, 21. Do subtraction of 21. So 21 minus 3. 21 20, sorry. 21 minus 3. 21 minus 3 means 20, 90, 80. So, therefore, Reshma got 18 marks. Copy. So, Rashmi got 3 correct answers. Means correct answer is equal to 3 marks. 3 3 is 9. And 4 incorrect answer. 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Then 9. 9 Nana. 9 means it is 9. 9 minus 4. It is 9. 9 minus this 4. Remaining 5. Just 5. Then Rajni. Get 5 marks. These 3 are completed. Addition is completed. Addition of integers are completed. Subtraction of the integers completed. Multiplication of integers also completed. Last one is division of a integer. Division of a integer. There are 3 problems of division. So I am only taking some examples. See here. Already you know. Here nothing means bracket outside. Nothing means there is a plus. Plus into minus this minus 100 divided by means it is a 5. Divided by means already you know. Divided by symbol means that is 5. Then what is the answer? You know the cancellation means 5 1 5 table 10. 5 2 10 0 means it is 20. Minus is there. It is minus there. Otherwise, don't know the cancellation means we do like this. 100 is divided by 5. 5 2 10. We are getting 0. Do the subtraction. It is 0 0 0. Finally, we are getting 0. Keep one more 0 also here. Finally, what we get now? 20. So I am writing 20 here. Only one minus. Then only one minus is there. That's the reason I am writing minus only here. Okay. You are wish to cancellation or division. You are wish to do any one method. Here. Same thing here also. Here nothing means plus into minus. Plus bracket means into minus. Plus into minus. Minus 81 divided by 9. Minus 81 divided by means by 9. 9 table 81. 9 9 the 81. But minus is there. I am writing minus like that only. It is 9. Okay. Third one. Here also nothing means there is a plus. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus 75 is divided by 5. Then minus 75 is divided by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 5 5 is 25. Then your answer is minus 15. Your answer is minus 15. Is it clear? Previous classes we learned about the up to previous classes you learned additions, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Okay, now simplifications and number line. These 2 topics are completed. Next topic in integers are properties. Main important task that are properties, Nana. So properties of all integers are, first property is closure property. What is a closure property means? In generally, you take any two integer numbers. Integers means the collection of positive and negative numbers along with zero are called integers. You wish to take positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero also. But again, you are getting the result is integer only. Integer part only you will get the again result also. Then in generally any two integers a and b I am taking here a and b. So that two are I am adding here. Then again I am getting integer part only means integer numbers are available. Okay na? A plus b is equal to you are getting one more integer. That is I am taking c here. So for this I am taking a is equal to -1 and b is equal to 2. Substituting this a is equal to -1 plus b is equal to 2. Already know one is plus another one minus. One is plus another one is minus. What to do now? What to do now? Do the subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. So already I said biggest number having the plus means your result is plus. Biggest one is minus. Your result also minus. So what is the biggest one in this? 2. 2 having plus. So your result is plus 1. So plus 1 is on number line or not? Integer part no. Integer part one of the number is there or not? Then it is an integer. Then it is a closure property under addition. Like that, in each and every property you will do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So commutative property. Commutative property. Closure property is completed. Next it is commutative property. What is the definition part of commutative property means? Same definition for closure property, but there are small changes. What are that means? In general, you are taking any two integers that are a and b, but here a plus b is equal to you are getting again integer, but in the, you are getting a plus b is equal to you can reverse the order also you can get the same answer. In general, you are taking any two integers, that two integers are a and b, that are a plus b I am taking here. In that a plus b is equal to again in reverse order also means for example I am taking 1 plus 2, 3. I am reversing order 2 plus 1 that is also 3. So the condition is to satisfy the property means LHS is equal to RHS will come means that property is existent under addition. But both are not equal means that is not exist in the property. So every property having four fundamental operations that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then first I am going to under addition. Under addition I am taking a plus b is equal to b plus a. Already I said here this is the formula for commutative property. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. You are wish to take any two integers. Any two integers. So I am taking a is equal to 2 and b is equal to I am taking -3. Integer means either plus or minus. Okay, my wish to I am taking one plus value or one minus value, or both are negative values, or both are plus values. Okay, then substituting this same as it is in this formula only substitute. A is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, then -3 is equal to b is equal to -3 plus 2. 2 plus into minus no, -3. Here -3 plus 2. Same I am writing here. Then one is plus, another one is minus. What to do now? Do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. But biggest one is minus. So your answer also minus. In this also one is minus, another one is plus. Then do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And biggest one have minus. Then take the both are you are getting minus and minus. Therefore, under addition commutative property satisfied. Commutative property exists in addition. Is it clear now? Take the subtraction. Under subtraction. And that under addition is completed, it is under subtraction. Next you are going to under multiplications and division also. So next I am going to subtraction. What is the subtraction condition means? In that addition condition, both are placed. Now under subtraction means I am taking a minus b is equal to b minus a. See this. Under subtraction means they both are minus. Under multiplication means a into b, b into a. Under division means a into b, a divided by b is equal to b divided by a. Then here also you are wish to take your own numbers. For example, I am taking a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 2. Then substitute the values. A is equal to minus 4 and minus of minus 2, b is equal to 2 and minus of minus 4. Then minus of minus, both are minus means not what no, plus. Plus means minus 6. Here 2 bracket is there. Bracket what no, into minus is plus. Is it 4? So minus 6. 2 plus 4 how much no? 6. Both are you are getting 6. But what happened here? It is minus 6, it is a plus 6. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Both values are not equal. Then it is not equal to. Therefore, under subtraction of commutative properties not satisfied. Otherwise, it is not exist. Right here. Not exist. Okay? Is it okay? Under multiplication. Means multiplication means what no? A into b and b into a. You do this a into b and b into a. You are getting the same result means it will be exist. LHS is equal to RHS. So take this formula to substitute a and b here. You are getting the absolutely equal. Both are equal. But under division also there. A and b values. Here you are not getting the LHS is not equal to RHS. Associative property. Associative property. In this property, in the previous properties, you are taking only any two integers. Any two integers. But here, more than two. That are, in generally, you take any integers. That integers I am taking 3 here. Previously, you are taking 2. But here I am taking at a time 3. A into B into C. Again, A into B into C. So first I am taking under addition now. Under addition. How to take the under addition means a plus all plus values. I am writing a plus b plus c. Here also a plus b plus c. But what is the change means? I am keeping first two brackets here. In this RHS I am taking last two for bracket. Again, you are wish to take any values of a, b, c values. Okay? I am taking a, b, c values and substituting this formula. A is equal to 2 plus b is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to a is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1. See, I am keeping bracket same places. There is no change. What is the meaning of this bracket means? First simplify that brackets numbers only. Brackets lo unnavi maatrame simplify cheyali tarvata record. So 2 plus 3, 5. After this, plus 1. 2. In this bracket, 2 numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. Is equal to, it is also 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Then, under addition of associated properties, except in any integers. Is it clear? Under multiplication same, no? A into B into C. Here also I am writing A into B into C. But here first two have bracket. Here last two have bar. So A is equal to same values I am taking here. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 1. Substitute the values. A is equal to 2 into 3 into 1. In this RHS also. 2 into 3 into 1. Then first simplifying bracket values. 2 3 is 6 into 1. 2 into 3 1 is 3. Next 6 1 is 6. 2 3 is 6. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So multiplication under and multiplication of any integers exist in associative property. Is it clear? Every correct answer is equal to, they are giving 4 marks. So any incorrect means any mistakes are there means they are giving the -2 marks. Deducted by -2 marks. So see the first question. Bharati attempts all questions. How many questions are there? 15 questions are there. Attempt. Okay, na? But 9 questions only right. 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers. Means each question is 4 marks. 9 into 4 nana. Is equal to, see attempt only 9 correct only answers. So 9 for the 36 marks only. But see at in that question, in that exam 9 questions only right means remaining are wrong. How many wrong? 6. Out of 15, 9 correct, 6 are incorrect. 6 incorrect. 6 incorrect answers. Means 6 into each incorrect is -2 marks. 6 2 is 12, -12 marks. Therefore, do the subtraction. It is 24 marks only. Therefore, Bharati get 24 marks. Is it clear, Nana? Our friend attempt only 5 questions. Only 5 questions. So, only 5 correct answers means 5 into 4 nana. How many marks? She got 20 marks only. Therefore, she got 20 marks. Is it clear? This exercise question also there. Basmati rice, they are earning 10 rupees profit, non-basmati 5 rupees loss. Here also same thing. White cement box, they are getting 9 rupees profit, and grey color cement box, they are losing 5 rupees loss. Same question, no? But it's small changes. On each white bag is 9 rupees. Loss on each grey color cement bag is loss means -5 rupees. 5 rupees loss. Then first question is, they are selling in a month 7,000 bags on white cement and 6,000 grey color cement boxes on bags on a month. Then 7,000 bags of white cement. 7,000 into, it is a white cement. White cement means into 9. How much now? 63 1000. Then 6000 grey color cement. 6000 into minus 5. Then 6 5 is 30. Then here minus none it is. So you do one is plus, another one is minus. We will do the subtraction. 0 0 0 0 0 3 minus 0 0 6 minus 3 is 0. Then sorry, it is 3 3 0 0. So they are getting the profit of 33,000. Why? Because greatest one is plus symbol. So it is a plus. Plus means that is profit. Therefore, profit is equal to how much? 33,000. Is it clear? Temperature at 12 noon means mid afternoon section and madhyana was 10 degrees above 0. 10 degrees above 0 means that is 10 degrees plus 10 degrees. Plus 10 degrees and it is decreases at minus 2 degrees per hour. Each hour కి ఎంత పడిపోతుంది minus 2 లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే 2 degrees decrease అవుతుంది పడిపోతుంది. Then what time temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below the zero. minus 8 degrees Celsius కి ఏ టైం కి వస్తుంది అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. Then first how much na plus 10 degrees Celsius at 12 pm. 12 am sorry 12 pm afternoon section 12 degrees Celsius there. Then after 12 1 pm 2 pm 3 pm 4 pm 5 pm 6 pm like that you are going decrease by 2 degrees means 10 degrees minus 2 degrees how much 8 degrees 8 degrees but want below 0 means minus 8 but you are getting minus 8 then minus 8 degrees minus 2 degrees again 6 degrees again that 6 degrees minus 2 degrees Celsius. Each hour you are decreasing by 2 to 2 so 4 degrees Celsius. Then 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius it is 2 degrees Celsius. Then 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then you will get 0. Then that 0 degrees minus 2 degrees Celsius. You are getting minus 2 degrees at 6 pm. Next 7 pm is there, 8 pm is there, and 9 pm also there. Then what you get done here? Minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then finally you are getting minus 4 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Means it is minus 6 degrees Celsius, minus 6 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Means it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. See, you are getting minus 8 degrees Celsius. Which time now? 9 pm. Each 1 hour it is decreasing by 2 degrees Celsius. I am decreasing by every hour. Every hour I am decreasing minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. When you get minus 8 at 9 pm. Therefore 9 pm it will minus 8 degrees Celsius. We are going to 10 pm, 11 pm and 12 pm. We are getting minus 8 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius. You are getting minus 12 degrees Celsius. We are minus 12 degrees, minus 2 degrees Celsius. You are getting minus 14 degrees Celsius. So write the conclusion at midnight 12 pm. How many? Minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay.